Hey everyone, I'm Lisa, and today I have a huge ThredUp haul. ThredUp is a online thrift store. You guys know that I love thrift shopping, and I also like online shopping, so this just brings both of those worlds together. Yes, my box is already open. I was gonna do an unboxing for you guys, but I tried filming this video yesterday. My memory card ran out of memory, and it was this like whole long ordeal and process, and anyways, I'm refilming this today. So I have purchased from ThredUp a couple of times, but this time ThredUp actually gave me a gift card to buy some stuff off their website. I did just join their affiliate team, so if you guys do decide to purchase some stuff from ThredUp, be sure to use my link below, just because it helps mine and my husband's channel out and our family out whenever you use that link. So thank you for those of you that do that. And if I can get a coupon code, I will, and I'll put it right here and in the description below, so that way you guys can save some money. But what I love about ThredUp is all their brands that they carry are the nicer brands, and they're very selective about the items that they choose to put up on their website. As far as the quality goes, they make sure things aren't too worn out or anything, and if things do have some wear, they do specify that on their website so you know what you're getting. All these items are maternity clothes or maternity friendly, so that they'll work with my bump, which I think is awesome. Maternity clothes can be really expensive, so thrifting is a great way to do that, and ThredUp has a whole maternity section on their website. So for those of you that are pregnant or are going to be pregnant, this is a great place to check out maternity clothes because they have so many great options. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. First thing I got are these maternity shorts, which are going to be perfect for summer because my due date is in July, so the weather has already started warming up here. It's Southern California, so it's warm a lot of the time. So I figured I'd get a lot of use out of these shorts. And the brand is Indigo Blue. I forgot to say that every item I purchase is under $20. I kind of wanted to stay in that range just to make it very affordable. But I love these shorts. They're just a lighter denim color. They have the cuff. They're not too short. I don't like ones that are like booty shorts, so I like them to be a little bit longer, which is nice. And then it has the full belly band. I actually tried these on yesterday, and they're so comfortable, and they fit really well, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. Next, we have a pair of maternity pants, my first pair of maternity pants, and they're just kind of a darker denim color, more of a skinny pant style. And then again, these have the band at the top. And the brand of these are Liz Lang Maternity, and this is the one that was for Target. I love the way these feel. They are, I'm always nervous about buying pants online just because jeans I'm really picky about, but these fit so well, so I'm really glad that I got these. All of my pants right now don't fit me. I either have to wear them like open or with the rubber band trick, and the rubber band thing has actually been hurting as well, so I'm so happy to have some actual maternity pants and shorts. Next, I got this top slash dress. It could be worn as either, but I love the print and color of it. Isn't that beautiful? Just has this really cool kind of abstract floral design on it, and then it has coral, light blush pink, navy blue all over it. I love this, and it's an off-the-shoulder style top, which I love that style, especially for summer. I just think it looks so flattering and cute, especially on pregnant women. I think that this looks really flattering. And then the sleeves are 3/4 length, and it has like a little tie at the end of the sleeve, and then it just goes down, and it kind of has a drop waist to it, and then it just ruffles out from the drop waist, which I thought that was really cute as well. Oh, and this one still has the original tags on it. So I forgot to say that this is Exhilaration. So this is originally from Target, and it looks like it has never been worn. Original tags, great find. The next top I got is a top from Wendy Bellismo, I think is what it's called. And it's this pretty kind of off-white, gauzy type of material top. Then it also has some crocheting on it. Thought this was really cute for summer. This could actually even be a beach cover-up. I probably won't be going to the beach too much, but I really do like this top, and it looks nice and breezy and breathable for summer, which will feel so nice because I've already started getting some hot flashes and they're not fun. So this will be nice to be a little bit cooler while I'm pregnant. And it is a longer top, so it kind of covers the booty area and everything. But I really like this kind of flowy and just perfect for summer. Then I got this sleeveless cardigan in an olive green color. This is one of my favorite colors right now. I love olive green. And this is originally from Old Navy. And it's just kind of like a longer, basic sleeveless cardigan, kind of a knit type feel. And I thought this would be really cute just to wear with my maternity maxi dresses, just to kind of change them up a little bit, and I can wear it with a belt. I thought that would be really cute. Then I got two blush colored tank tops. This is another one of my favorite colors. This blush pink and the olive green I think are my two absolute favorite colors right now. So this first one is more of a flowy tank top, and this is originally from Loft. It's their vintage soft tank top. But this has the original tags on it. So how great is that? An Ann Taylor Loft find with original tags that I bought from ThredUp for way cheaper. That's so cool. But again, just a flowy kind of casual tank top. You can wear it by itself or with a cardigan over it. Great for summer. And then this tank top is more of a maternity fitted tank top. So I have my loose one and then my fitted one. Because I've also been loving these fitted tanks because they show off your bump really well, and they're cute to wear under like a kimono or cardigan type thing. And this is originally from Old Navy, and it's a ribbed kind of style, so it has the lines going down in it, which I really like, and then it just has the ruching on the side since it is maternity. I love this. I will definitely get a lot of use out of this. And then I have another top. This is another off the shoulder top, and I was a little worried that this might not fit over my bump. I didn't know if it was gonna be long enough, but it actually looks like it's plenty long enough. But another thing I love about off the shoulder tops is when they have this ruffle right here. I think this is so cute. But this is just kind of it's almost like a dusty red. I don't even know how to explain the color. It's like a dusty red though, a muted red. And then it has blue, and it just has this really cool print on it and these stripes on the bottom. Nice and flowy, again, breezy and breathable for summer, and it's long enough to cover my bump. So I think this will be really fun to wear. I think it'd actually be cute for 4th of July too, because it has that red, white, and blue type look to it. And then the last item I purchased is something I've actually been wanting to get, and it's a crocheted cardigan. And this one, oh wait, did I say what brand this was from? And this is from the brand Faded Glory, which I think you can buy at JCPenney's. I'm pretty sure that's where they sell it. So this is by the brand Blue Pepper Vintage, and it's just this creamy kind of off-white color crocheted cardigan. It's super long and flowy. The bottom of it just has this fringe, which I really like. I've been wanting to get one of these just to wear again with my maxi dresses. I thought this would look really cute for summer and just right now, but it feels so soft and comfortable. I can't wait to wear this, and I think it'll look just really cute with a lot of different outfits. So that is everything I purchased from ThredUp. I hope you guys enjoyed this thrift haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item was that I bought. And if you like thrift shopping, I want to know what your favorite find in the past couple of months has been from the thrift store. So make sure to leave that in the comments below. Again, I'll have ThredUp linked below and a coupon code down in the description, so be sure to take advantage of that and go get yourself some cute clothes from ThredUp. They also have kids clothes as well, so be sure to check that out too. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!